Types of pollution. Pollution is of different types: air pollution, water pollution, noise pollution. Air pollution. We all need air to breathe. Air is made up of many gases like nitrogen 78%, carbon dioxide 0.03%, oxygen 21%, and rest are the other gases. It also contains water vapor and some dust particles. This composition of air should not be changed. But this composition is changed due to air pollution. Causes of air pollution. The manufacturing units and industries in big cities are major sources of air pollution. This is due to burning of coal, which emits harmful smoke and gases. It mixes with air and makes air polluted. When wind blows, it erodes lot of soil. Dust combines with air and the dust particles remain suspended in air and cause problems to all living creatures. Motor vehicles, those are run on petrol, diesel, etc., are also major causes of air pollution. They emit carbon monoxide, CO, carbon dioxide, and nitrogenous gases which pollute the air. Smoking is another cause of air pollution. It causes harm to the non-smokers. When polythene bags, tires, greasy rags, rubbish, waste plastic goods are burnt, they release smoke containing harmful gases and bad odor. Effects of air pollution. The fresh and healthy air has its natural content of gases and it has no color or smell. It is the basis of our survival. But when the air gets polluted, that is mixed with harmful gases, it becomes colored. It smells bad and unpleasant. It also affects us in several ways. Polluted air leads to rashes on skin. Polluted air irritates eyes and turns them red and watery. It may lead to breathing problems such as lung cancer, asthma, bronchitis, etc. It is also harmful to plants and animals. How to control air pollution? Air pollution is dangerous for health. So air pollution should be controlled. Instead of dung cakes, liquefied petroleum gas should be preferred. LPG does not produce much smoke. Alternative method of heating should be applied in factories. Solar energy should be used. This will lessen smoke from burning of coal. All factories should apply filter chimneys so that harmful gases are not mixed directly into the air. In vehicles, instead of diesel and petrol, alternative fuels should be used that produce less smoke and pollution. CNG, compressed natural gas, must be encouraged so that they do not cause air pollution.